Facebook just released an update that confirms what I've been telling you guys for months. If you are a content creator that's focused on getting more views on Facebook than actually keeping people watching your content longer, then you are leaving money on the table. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva. For those of you who are new here, welcome. As you guys know here, I create absolutely free courses on this page to help you guys grow and boost your online businesses. Yes, a content creator is a business. Yes, having a personal brand is a business. So I've been a content creator for over a decade. I've actually worked with Facebook in the past and I'm generating over 6 figures just being paid to post. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're never missing one of the videos. You are subscribing for you. This channel is a free resource. Let me show you guys exactly what Facebook says and what this means in 2026. Facebook is basically telling you guys that when you post new reels, you're going to reach new people. They are showing reels to people who don't follow you yet. One of the fastest ways they are telling you to expand your distribution on Facebook. Most of you guys, you're way too focused on getting views when Facebook is literally telling you to focus on your watch time. Two completely different things. Facebook is telling you guys that they are focusing on content creators who create original content that is driving longer watch time and qualified views. I know as a content creator, we often tend to think that the whole goal, bees always around me. We often tend to think that the whole goal with social media is to get as many views as possible. But Facebook is telling us as content creators, they're not paying for who can get the most attention, but who can keep the attention for the longest. So you need to learn how to keep people hooked on your content. When posting these reels, I want you guys to understand that posting reels, it's for reach. It's not for generating revenue. Posting reels is what's going to get the new eyes on your page. It's up to you to be able to retain and keep those viewers. So this is where I feel like a lot of you guys are getting confused because Facebook is basically telling us to use reels to capture new people, because posting reels on Facebook is one of the fastest ways to capture people who don't follow you already. So your posting strategy should not be, let me create reels to see how many people I can get on my page. Should be, let me create reels that make people stop scrolling and actually care enough to watch the content that I'm creating. A view that's qualified to be monetized is not just a random view. A view that actually shows Facebook that this person was interested in your content, which is exactly why Facebook says that your Facebook Reels has to be at least 10 seconds long and the person has to watch for at least 5 seconds. And that's what you need to be able to earn on that video. And that's exactly why hooks are so important. If the opening to your video is weak, people are automatically going to stroll. They're automatically going to click off your video. Hooks matter so much, you guys, and it's not because hooks are trendy, but because your hook actually determines whether Facebook is going to receive that signal, whether or not someone continued and kept watching your video. As you guys see here, Facebook also mentioned original content creators. This is a big deal. It is becoming even harder for you to repurpose or repost someone else's content because they're able to pick up if this content is original or not. Facebook is literally making it clear that they want to reward people who are creating content that provides value. So if you're a content creator that's showing your face, you're sharing your experiences, teaching people something, telling a story, or even giving your own perspective on something, that type of content matters. Original content is not supposed to be perfect content. It just means that the value is coming directly from you. What I need you guys to do as soon as possible, right after you finish watching this video, every video that you put out after watching this video has to have a strong beginning, a reason why someone should keep watching, a clear point, and a payoff at the end of the video. So let's say I go on Facebook and I'm making videos trying to teach you guys how to get invited to the Facebook content monetization program. So I would not start that video like, here are 3 tips on how to get invited to the Facebook content monetization program. I would say something like, most content creators are doing this wrong, and this is exactly why they don't get invited into the content monetization program. Same concept, different way of wording. Second option is going to give people a reason to stay. Well, let's say you're a lifestyle content creator. Instead of starting your video like, come spend the day with me, you could say things like, I didn't expect today to end like this, or by the end of today I was completely exhausted. or something like this was supposed to be a quick trip to the store. Now people are going to want to know what happens at the end. Like, why was it not a quick trip to the store? If you're a mom that's creating content, instead of doing a come clean with me video, you could do a video such as I ignored this room for 2 weeks and this is what happened. So the goal is not to trick people. The goal is to create curiosity. And you're creating this curiosity so that they will stay to the end to see what happens. You're someone that's also creating content and you're not showing yourself and you're not talking on camera. You are able to use visual hooks. Hooks do not only have to be verbal. If you're starting a cleaning vlog, you could start the vlog off when the room looks an entire mess. I need you guys to stop and think about how reality TV works. Like, when they are playing these shows on TV, they are showing little clips leading up to you being curious and wanting to watch the entire show. And that's exactly the same thing that's going to keep people watching on Facebook. And the longer the viewers stay on your video, the stronger the signal is going to be sent to Facebook. So there you guys have it. Facebook is literally telling you what type of content to post, what type of content Facebook is actually pushing when it comes to monetization. You, as a content creator, you just have to create a really good posting strategy and stick to that. You cannot post without a strategy. It's going to be it for today's video. If you guys want to learn way more about Facebook monetization program and how it works, if you haven't been invited, I have a completely free Facebook playlist that I've compiled for you guys. These are free videos that's going to help you learn how to actually post and monetize on your Facebook pages. I'm linking the playlist, so if you guys are interested, you can catch it linked up here somewhere, and I'll also link it pinned in the description. That's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.